Welcome to Free Arts Academy, where art is for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know the first word in art education. It all starts with this important term. This week's essential art term is line. Line is the visual representation of a point moving through space. Lines can show direction. They can give a sense of texture. They can portray a visual mood, and more. When you change the properties of a line, it can portray different meaning. An example: a thick line makes an image seem bold and makes a strong impact. A thin line can visually define something that's delicate or frail. A contour line traces the outer edge of an object, revealing its two-dimensional shape. An organic shape depicts a different feeling than a shape with sharp or jagged angles. Lines can be multiplied and layered, forming beautiful patterns. Lines can even show rhythm, like a heartbeat or a wavelength. These art concepts are best internalized by review and practice. Understanding the idea of line is just the beginning of your art education at Free Arts Academy. Join us next week for more essential art terms. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe for more classes from the Free Arts Academy.